Hello, our dear daughters. This is Musasizi Stephen. I would like to introduce to you yet another topic, and this is the Great Rift Valley. The Rift Valley is a longitudinal depression that forms on the Earth's surface. It begins in the north through the northeastern corners of Egypt, that's to say the Red Sea, right to Zambezi River, to parts of northern Uganda. If you look at that illustration, it is part of Africa, northeast Africa, and the Rift Valley runs from up there up to, like as I've said, to Zambezi River, and then the northern Uganda. I want you to compare with what you looked at in East Africa, the East African Rift Valley. How was it moving? So it's a continuation. How was it formed? It was formed as a result of faulting caused by tensional and compressional forces. I hope you know this stuff. Mountains and highlands. Africa is gifted with a number of mountains, which include the Ethiopian highlands, Cameroon highlands, Atlas, Drakensberg, Cape Ranges, among others. This illustration you see beside is mountain or the Ethiopian highlands. You can see how it looks like. Formation of mountains. So we have two categories of mountains, the volcanic mountains and the fold mountains. To begin with is the volcanic mountains. So what are volcanic mountains, or how were they formed? They are formed as a result of volcanicity, whereby molten rock is extruded onto the Earth's surface or intruded into the Earth's crust as a result of hot temperature and great pressure into the Earth's surface. This is an example of the Ethiopian highlands, and this is how it was formed. You can see that heat. So that heat originated from underneath, and you can see what is happening. So a good example of volcanic mountain is the Ethiopian highland. Of course, others are Ahaga, Drakensberg, Adamawa highlands, and I would request you also to check for these mountains using your atlas. Fold mountains. What are fold mountains? These are mountains formed by the process known as folding due to compression forces acting upon young sedimentary rocks by pushing from different directions towards each other, forming highlands called anticlines, that's now the fold mountain, and depression is called synclines. And the illustration shown is an example of the Atlas mountain. You can see the depression, and besides you have the anticlines, and this is how the Atlas mountain was formed. I conclude by saying that we've looked at basically the Great Rift Valley, the volcanic mountains, and fold mountains. For more information, I refer you to the website seen below. Thank you very much for your kind attention. God bless you.